1, The Good Leadership, Maria. A barangay hall in Gapal, Philippines, Maria, the barangay captain, is meeting with two kagawads, Jessica and Karen, to discuss a community project setting up a small vegetable garden to help address food security. Maria, the barangay captain, are truthful and inclusive leaders. Jessica, a kagawad, to contribute but sometimes lack focus. Karen, a kagawad, practical and details-oriented. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Thank you for meeting with me today. As you know, many of our constituents are struggling with rising food costs. I believe a community vegetable garden could be a big help. What are your thoughts, Jessica?
Yes, Captain, that's a great idea. We could plant all sorts of things. Maybe some dragon fruit, too, and small fish ponds.
Those are interesting ideas, Jessica. Let's focus on vegetable first. Something practical for daily meals. Karen, what do you think about the logistic do we have to sustain location?
Captain, I've identified a vacant lot near the elementary school. It gets plenty of sunlight, but the soil needs work. We'll need to test it and add some fertilizer. Also, we need to consider a water source.
Exactly, Karen. That's exactly the kind of practical thinking we need. Jessica, you could help Karen research local sources for affordable fertilizer and maybe organize a community cleanup day to prepare the land.
Sure, Captain, I can do that. I know some people who work at the agricultural supply store in town.
Great! Let's meet again next week to discuss our progress. I appreciate both of your contribution. By working together, I know we can make this project success for our barangay. 2. The Bad Leaders, Ricardo. The same barangay hall a few months later. Ricardo has taken over as barangay captain after Maria's term ended. He is meeting with Jessica and Sarah to discuss the same vegetable garden project, which is now struggling. Okay, let's talk about this garden. It's a mess. I don't see any dragon fruit like I suggested.
Captain, we focused on vegetables like you asked, but we had some problems with pests and the water pump broke down.
Excuses. If you had listened to me in the first place, we would have dragon fruit. Dragon fruit is more variable.
Captain, the real issue is the budget. We requested funds to repair the water pump weeks ago, but we haven't received any approval.
The budget is my concern. I have other priorities. Besides, I saw some of the vegetable being given away to people, or even from our barangay. That needs to stop. This garden is for us, not for outsiders.
But Captain, the idea was to help anyone in need.
Enough! Just do as I say. And next time, plant dragon fruit. Meeting adjourned! Good leadership. Maria embodies inclusive leadership by valuing input from all terms members, assigning tasks based on strength than for tasking. A collaborative environment, she focuses on practical solutions and the needs of the community. Bad leadership. Ricardo demonstrates autocratic leadership by dismissing others' ideas, failing to provide necessary resources, and priorities personal reference over the community needs. His leadership style leads to disillusionment and project failure.